From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it felt really good out there this morning. Temperatures mostly in the mid to upper 60s. Last time we saw that was June 6th. So it's been a couple of months, almost three, since we've seen temperatures like that. And we got another comfortable one for tonight. Maybe not quite as, but still pretty good. And the best one we see in the 10-day forecast. So enjoy tonight and tomorrow morning as well. So let's take a look at the upper level pattern, as our pattern is going to be dominated by this upper level low. Right now it's just shuttling dry air around it, but notice once you get over toward eastern Louisiana, it darkens. The humidity, the higher moisture content in the atmosphere, still lingering a tropical atmosphere across Florida continues. This upper low is not going to go anywhere, and if anything, it drifts a little bit to the west and starts to draw the moisture westward. So after tomorrow, our humidity begins to increase, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms in the mix. Not exactly the soaking we need, but at least we'll have a chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Hit or miss type variety, and a lot of folks may miss, but some are going to get some pretty good showers from time to time. Now this afternoon we do see scattered showers and some thunderstorms, mainly offshore southeast Louisiana. There's some action over by the Florida Panhandle as well. We get into the peninsula. I'm still running all the Doppler radars from the tropical storm and hurricane, but here locally we are looking at some showers and storms mainly offshore, so it's not lurking too far away, and some of the activity that normally slips into Terrebonne Parish is showing up this evening from south of Houma by Chauvin, and then down across the coastal marsh of St. Mary. Some cloud to ground lightning strikes. Probably a pretty good looking cloud. If you're looking from Lafayette on southeastward, you're probably seeing a nice little big tall cumulus cloud off in the distance, and it's about 30-40 miles away from Lafayette, maybe about 50 as we go, as the crow flies. Now in the tropics we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a sixth area that the National Hurricane Center is watching, one that's going to develop with time. This one may be heading for Europe, believe it or not, and then a large area that we could see some development down the road, probably will. This looks to stay an Atlantic system. Then we have Tropical Storm Jose, upgraded last night. A little teeny thing here. This is only going to last for a day or so. Remnants of Gert, still keeping an eye on that storm. So we've gone through a lot of letters. Hurricane Franklin still with 90-mile-per-hour winds, and now post-tropical cyclone Idalia. We'll get to that system in just a bit. But Franklin still bringing some tropical storm conditions to Bermuda, but they're moving away. But Bermuda's not done, as we'll be waiting on Idalia or the remnants thereof in a few days. Meanwhile, Gulf and Caribbean, nice and quiet. All the action staying in the Atlantic basin. I see that at least through the middle part of September, and that is certainly good news. If you can say 2 weeks out, you don't see anything for the Gulf of Mexico. Beyond that, no promises, obviously. And the remnants of Idalia right here, it's kind of convectionless right now, but models suggest it's going to perk back up in a few days. 65-mile-per-hour winds. And look at the track. Here's Bermuda, so an impact on Bermuda still possible. As a tropical storm, they may be strengthening once again, but it's not going to be a high-end system, and no worries on this system meandering around in the Atlantic trying to make a comeback to the U.S. So let's look at our moisture channel here as we look at the water vapor imagery. Well, this is what we call precipitable water, but you can see the moisture off to the east as we head into Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday. It looks like at least we'll have a pretty decent chance of showers and storms. You see the hurricane or whatever off to the north and east. And eventually the air dries out and we see drier conditions toward the end of next week. Not a whole lot of tropical moisture threatening our area. So overnight tonight, fair skies, lower 70s tonight. Tomorrow, we'll see temperatures getting into the mid to upper 90s, maybe a shower at about 5% for Acadiana. Better rain chances off to the east. But then as we head into Saturday, quiet start, but a little bit more in the way of scattered activity. We'll go 30% Saturday, and then moving into Sunday, more moisture on the way. We could see rain chances perking up to 40 to 50%, maybe a little bit better. We'll see how it plays out. Tonight, though, tomorrow morning, another beauty, mid to upper 60s. Get out and enjoy it if you can. Upper 60s to lower 70s, I-10 corridor, mostly upper 60s to lower 70s, coastal parishes, even a little bit warmer by Cameron, right by the water there. Then temperatures tomorrow pushing the upper 90s once again, but still comfortable humidity, 97 to 99, pretty much the call across the area. Lafayette, Lake Charles, pushing 99 degrees, maybe 100, but it'll be a comfortable comfortable 100 compared to the very uncomfortable ones we had all this entire month. So another pleasant evening, 98 to 99% of a super blue moon out there. And it's not blue, it's just the second full moon of the month. That's why they call it a blue moon. And it's a super moon and the brightest one of the year. So still very bright out there tonight. And of course, the moon rises about 50 minutes later each and every night. So moonrise coming at 8:30 or so to 9 o'clock tonight. And then tomorrow, pleasant start to the day, a hot finish, mostly sunny skies, but still comfortable humidity, light northeast wind for tomorrow. And as we move it into the 10-day forecast, we see those rain chances perking up later in the weekend. Labor Day looks to be our best chance of rain. Maybe Tuesday, one of those days we should have pretty good coverage of showers and storms. Then rain chances tone down and the heat tones back up. And I've been really wanting to take those hundreds out of the 10-day forecast.
Go ahead,
at
do
the
it.
end. But
They won't let you just yet.
No, it's still 99 to 101. The models are going 101, so gotta respect the models now.
Thanks, Rob.